Hello everyone and welcome back to SoCaliRific. Today we are back here at Universal Studios Hollywood. I wanted to come for a real quick trip just to see what updates we could find in the park. Of course, I'm gonna look for some Halloween Horror Night updates, and also I want to pick up my past member magnet. So come along and let's go. The first thing I want to do is here at the Universal Studios store, I want to pick up my past member magnet. So let's go get it. They did get the Love is Universal collection. So here's a little look at the items. We got the hat. We like the top too. It has like a little rainbow color and they're all like kind of different. The Love is Universal fanny pack. It's right over here. The zipper has like a rainbow color. I love like when the items say Universal Studios. It's nice and light and it feels actually soft for like a little windbreaker. We also got this backpack where it has like a bunch of different patches, and again with the Love is Universal logo. And oh, this looks nice. I like that it says like Universal Studios. So as you walk in, you can see they are setting up for Grad Bash 2023. So I'm sure throughout the park they might have a little more decor. Because of the rain, Hello Kitty is currently meeting inside her store. So here is a look at the free magnet for past members. So I basically just had to show my pass to the person at the register in the Universal Studios store, but they didn't want to see like the online pass. They really wanted to see the physical one. So I had to show them my physical one. So I don't know if that's all the time, but if you're coming, make sure to bring your physical one just in case that's what they would need to see. So the plaza is still currently closed, but they are definitely using it for an event. They're setting things up. So that probably means that it'll be open for guests pretty soon. That's what I would assume. Maybe once the event is done. But again, like no major changes. They just fixed the floor, which it looks nice. But I can't wait till this is accessible again for the guests. So this is a current look at this house and the facade. They definitely added some more detail, but it's actually looking really like pretty. Look at that design. I don't know if they're gonna make it more distressed, but this is like the current progress, and I can't wait till they bring that wall down so we could see like the full look of this.
Don't you worry, little man, we're gonna break you out. We're gonna set you free. Now he's just walking in circles. You guys wanna sign a petition? No more humans on the leash? I might start a petition. 5 and under, no more leashes. 6 and up, maybe, I don't know.
All right, let's head into Hogsmeade because I saw a tweet from Inside Universal and I want to go check out what they discovered. And they said props are showing up in Hogsmeade. Maybe the Death Eaters might make an early return even before Halloween Horror Nights. But I did find a sign and it does seem like they are going to have a private event. Who knows, but it does look a little elaborate. They have some lights and crates. So I'm just curious to find out what it's actually going to be. So the newest addition to the balloons is the big pink sprinkled donut. So that's super cool. I'm glad that they're adding new stuff to the parks. Donut is classic here in Springfield. But I just want to let you know today is Thursday and there is no reservations needed for Super Nintendo World. Alright guys, finally a tent has popped up right here between the Mummy. It looks like they're currently working on the outline of the house, but I can't wait till we start getting updates on the facade. Also, let's just take a little peek at this house. I'm going to try to get on the studio tour a little later, see if there's any changes to the facade, but this is currently the progress of both houses and they are definitely moving along. You can see from this area they have taken over the top of Jurassic Outfitters for Grad Bash. I personally had my grad night at Disneyland, so I'm curious to know if any of you had it here at Universal. Did you guys enjoy it? Seems like it's a good time. Alright, looks like they're gonna have a Coca-Cola lounge, which that sounds fancy. You're gonna have free tasting, games, photo ops, snacks, and a silent disco. There's no mention of an AP party. Last year was sponsored by Coca-Cola, so hopefully this year as a past member we get one, but no word as of yet. Another good photo op for all you graduates. So even if you're not attending Grad Bash and if you're graduating from anything this year, you come take a photo over here. Transformers is currently down for a refurb, but if you would like, you could come and play some Connect 4 and some cornhole. Again, like I mentioned earlier, Super Nintendo World is open, and right as you walk in, you could already see Toadstool Cafe is fully booked for the day. Time for the studio tour so we could get some HHN updates. Let's go.
And our studios are incredibly
Again, this is all covered up now.
We can rent out studio space on other
Can't see
lots
much.
from over there. They can rent out space.
I'm trying to show you a little bit.
We don't really get competitive until we get to the box office. Crew with the Cole Byer films out here, American Ninja Warrior.
Today we are going down the metro sets.
Out to look like Baltimore. Well, you know what?
Courthouse
from the Back to the
Square.
Future films.
We hardly get to come down
Even
here,
though this
so I am
clock tower from Back to the
excited.
Future is
Woo, hopefully I don't get spit on. Just missed. They just missed me, thank goodness. Jaws is like my favorite section of the studio tour. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I just got hit by a jet. Forgot about that.
You just met the literal biggest horror icon of the 1970s, Bruce the Shark from the movie Jaws.
Guys, let me know what your favorite part of the studio tour is. Like I said, Jaws is definitely mine. I love it. I never get tired of it. And we're going everywhere in the studio tour today, even Colonial Street. Haven't been here in a while. The car is back.
Far away from the motel. Okay, I definitely did not think that Norman Bates would actually be here. Maybe he won't see us. I mean, there's only like 160 of us staring right at him, so as long as we don't wave, I think we're in the clear. Stop waving, I just told you to, hey, Norman. We didn't see anything, if you just want to go back. Oh, okay, never mind, he's got a knife. He's got a knife, let's get out of here. No. Norman, where are you going, buddy? Norman, I don't like the way that you're looking at the tramp. Norman!
In the Curious George parking lot area, there has been a brick work done to the facade. So that is moving along. That is super cool. And the other house, I couldn't really see like too much difference, but those are just our studio tour updates for Halloween Horror Nights. Ooh, this event looks pretty nice. Is it a wedding of some sort? I don't know, I'm just assuming here. It just looks really pretty. This little setup. Here in the Illumination stores where you can find some new Super Mario Bros merch. We got Luigi and Mario. They also have this little gray one for kids, but that one's super cute. And they have Toad and Bowser. So you can find your favorite character. And here are the last two options. So like I said, it was gonna be a short trip in the park, but currently I'm headed to City Walk because I've seen like a few little updates on my way. So I wanna go back and show you guys. Right here in the UNIVRS store, they have a new Jaws collection. So they have the Jaws merch inside of the park, but they don't have this. Like this is exclusive to City Walk UNIVRS store. It is pretty cool. Look at this windbreaker jacket. Has Amityville Island, Shark Tours, and this sweater is pretty awesome. Right here it says "Bite Me." She looks a little happy for what's to come. But here's a look at some of the shirts. And again, this merch is super cool. We got another Amity Swim Club. We also got new Jurassic Park merch. This shirt is super cool. It's also $40. I'm trying to get you a little look at the design. We got the Jurassic Park tote. Life will not be contained. We got some like shorts. That's so cool. This shirt has like buttons, it's a long sleeve. We also got like a crop top. They have like a matching short sleeve and short set. But they also have some pretty cool t-shirts as well. And it's just really cool, different merch. But I gotta say, this windbreaker is pretty awesome. Look at the back. Wow. So they did get in some new items from the Felix the Cat collection. Over here in City Walk, where the Blaze and the old Starbucks used to be, they are doing some sort of construction. It says, "Pardon our Stardust. A new experience is coming soon." Super excited to see what that's gonna be, but as soon as I find out, I'll let you guys know. Also, the AMC in City Walk got some wraps for Fast and the Furious. I wonder if they're gonna bring like another car photo op like they did for Super Mario Bros. That'd be cool. But so far, this is what they have. On a side note, I am super excited to watch Guardians of the Galaxy. How many of you are gonna watch it? This is my favorite character of the MCU, Rocket. Emotionally, I don't know if I can handle this movie, but we're just gonna have to see. Cannot wait to watch it. Alright everyone, so that was our little short trip here to Universal. Again, I just came to look at some updates, but of course we will be back. So for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're going to have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys!